Hi everyone, it's Susan here from SusanWinter.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have a discussion that's prompted by two different sets of clients that I have, each coming from a different perspective. And what I want to talk about is the imbalance between partner A and partner B. Partner A, who doesn't appreciate partner B and takes them for granted, assumes that their love will always be there. And partner B, who is devoted to this partner A, and thinks the relationship's in a better place than it is, or at least they want to believe that. So the profile of partner A, they like having partner B around. They do, they care for them. But they've learned through partner B's behavior that they don't need to apply a lot of energy, time, or effort. They've also learned that even if partner B gets a little upset and testy and maybe even pulls away a little bit, a few well-timed words, carefully chosen types of language will win partner B back easily. So they're good at getting partner B back because they're kind of having to do that damage control all the time. And here's the thing about partner A who doesn't appreciate partner B. They are so certain because of partner B's behavior that they will always get them back. That they really continue to not apply any effort because no effort is required. So they take them for granted. Partner B is in a committed relationship. They're the good girlfriend, good boyfriend, good husband, or good wife. And they are more invested than partner A. And they'll admit to themselves, you know, every relationship has its problems. We're doing okay. We've been together a year, 2 years, 5 years. And what partner B does is constantly give partner A the benefit of a doubt. And even when partner A has kind of sketchy reasons for why they were abusive or why they were negligent or why they were thoughtless, partner B makes sure to fill in the context to make it make sense, because what partner B must do is lie to themselves. Partner B must give valid reasons why partner A can't. Partner A can't introduce them yet to the kids because, you know, it's kind of tricky with the ex. Partner A, you know, sure, they have contact with their ex, but, you know, they had a long-standing relationship and they're friends. There are a lot of things wrong, but partner B is constantly of the sunny disposition that it'll work out, and always believing when partner A comes back that this time it's going to be better. I'll work on it. We'll see. Give me time. They believe these words over and over and over again. Having worked with both partner A and partner B, different relationships, these constructs, here's what I know. Partner A, the person who takes you for granted, will continue to do so until you walk away. Boom, that's it. Until your needs are expressed clearly, strongly, and have conditions to them, that person will continue the behavior. Why wouldn't they? What reason do they have to change? None. Then maybe they'll call a professional like me and say, oh my God, I didn't realize how much I love this person now that I can't get them back. And the only reason they love you is because they can't get you back. Partner B, I work with a lot of those, okay? Partner B is struggling to make this relationship work. And they never just stood back and thought, what's my ROI? Really? What time, money, heartache am I putting into this person? And I hear the same old song and dance. Has anything really changed? Or is that just the bait that they give me that I choose to bite over and over again? Because I live in hope. I live in a dream state where I want it to be true. It isn't. And I've learned that if you believe hard enough, it's going to happen. But I'm applying it unrealistically to a situation that is constantly proving to me in real life this isn't going to change. And you know what partner B is also learning at the same time? Partner B is learning that as they are being devalued, they will devalue themselves. Because humans adapt. and we will learn to ask for less. And then we will learn that we don't deserve. And the worst thing you can do for your self-esteem is stay in a relationship with somebody who neglects you and takes you for granted, because that will become your new normal. Both of these positions can be changed, but you'll never get out of that loop until you stand back, look at the pattern, and disconnect from it and say, no, I am not doing that. I refuse to keep this person trapped just because I like being adored. I'll set them free because it's the right thing to do. Or I'll take a look at all the love they've given me and think, oh, what kind of a jerk am I? Partner B, take a look at the worth of your life, the days, the minutes that you draw breath here. Is this the person that you want to keep trying to shake them into loving you and treating you well? Or are you worth more? If you like to believe, do you believe in limited thinking and limited thought? That there's only one person and it has to be this one that you've landed on because you're just too damn lazy to move? Because that's what it is. Your focus landed on somebody, you locked on them, and you're too set in your ways and lazy and content within your discontent to readjust your target and put it onto somebody that would love you back and would appreciate you. But you'll never know until you express your needs and you stand by that. So this is what I'd ask you to do. Are you being appreciated? Are you taking advantage of someone? Get it straight, because it doesn't have to be like this. Relationships can be wonderful when we're in harmony with ourselves and telling the truth to ourselves, and that's where it starts. I hope this has helped you. Susan Winter for SusanWinter.net. If you prefer to listen to this, tune into the Susan Winter Show on iTunes. If you'd like to speak to me personally, check my schedule on Magnify. I'm on it every day. Give me a call. We'll talk right away, by the minute. And if you want to book a session, please do so. I'm here for you. Thanks a lot.